Axie vastness is a low-position coin with the ticker Axie that has a current worth of $4.58 and a market capitalization of $645,194,578. Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate. Some huge venture banks even procure Axie limitlessness and other digital forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that injures the customary monetary business sectors. Hence, a foresighted financial backer ought to work essentially a piece of their portfolio around digital currencies, with the end goal of expansion, and to have the option to endure the potential disturbances on conventional monetary business sectors. In any case, because of the intrinsic unpredictability of Axie and by far most of other digital forms of money, having crypto in the portfolio requires nearer checking of the events on expressed markets. To have the option to leave the situation at the most fitting second, it's justifiable that most financial backers don't have the full-time ability to follow the business sectors consistently or anticipate their likely developments. To work with this errand, the accompanying Axie vastness cost expectation has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Unpredictability Record, CVIX, to guarantee the precision and the legitimacy of this Axie cost estimate model. Yet, prior to diving into the Axie limitlessness value examination and estimate, permit us to repeat the key guidelines of appropriate methodology towards putting resources into digital forms of money. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the Axie market that depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market means to go. At this point, the cost of Axie limitlessness is $4.58, while the coin as of now ends up at 49th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients get the most significant information with respect to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On September 18, the cost of Axie limitlessness was at $4.48 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.09%. A week prior, on September 12, Axie was esteemed at $4.15, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on August 19, the market member laid out the cost of Axie vastness at $4.95. Hence, the coin has made a 7.47% move to arrive at its current standings. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Axie vastness isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost expectation. It means quite a bit to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a reasonable perspective on where the market is going. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul viewpoints. This specific measurement is additionally used to check the strength of Axie limitlessness corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of Axie, we increase the circling supply, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the current worth of the digital money under audit. Starting today, the market capitalization of Axie endlessness remains at $645,194,578, which frames the reason for present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on September 18, Axie had a market capitalization of $631,873,379. Last week, on September 12, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $585,195,068. A month prior, on August 19, The market worth of Axie endlessness was surveyed to be $696,722,745. Total supply considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been delivered by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement additionally figures the coins that have been gradually eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the absolute stock of Axie boundlessness is laid out at 270,000,000 axes. Lastly, the coursing supply is utilized to compute the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of axes that is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Axie vastness has a circling supply of 149,959,793 coins. Likewise, high exchanging volume ordinarily grandstands that the liquidity is streaming into that market, which shows the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges. Notwithstanding, it should be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making long-haul cost expectations. However, it as a rule gives important understanding into the ongoing business sector circumstance, consequently is vital for short and mid-term cost estimates completed by or exclusive calculation. A brilliant digital money financial backer mustn't ignore this metric while picking section or leave point. The guideline here is to get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the combination region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an impressive convention. It's far better assuming those cost shifts occur in the areas that concur with generally high volume, which are typically shown through tall bars on the comparing marker that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals. Taking care of that, how about we audit the exchanging volume recorded on the Axie vastness market throughout the accompanying timespans. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with axes arrived at the mark of $21,449,807. Yesterday, on September 18, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $26,297,103. A week prior, on September 12, how much axes that was traded between market members was assessed at $27,700,446. Presently comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto instability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Axie limitlessness will follow over the course of the following 1 to 5